Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply check eBay gift card balance. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, now we'll simply start our video. So for that matter, first of all, you have to access a particular eBay app on your mobile phone, and you're gonna tap on this my eBay option just given below. Once you have tapped on it, you will get all of the settings regarding your account, including this option called settings below. You have to tap on it, and here in this section you're going to access your account settings, including there will be an option regarding check your eBay gift card balance, if you have accessed some, if you have applied some. And then once you tap on that particular option, you will be able to see that particular gift card balance of yours. You have to enter the code that you get within your card. Once you're tapped and tap on this apply option as given, you will be able to check out the balance, that is your gift card balance, just like that over there. So that is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.